The randint function is used to return a random number between the given range. Let's say we need to generate a random number between 5 and 10. We can do it using the randint function. Okay, let's see. First we will import random as. We have used as to create an alias rd. Now we need to use only rd text instead of random. So I'll just print using the, I'll just display random numbers in a range using the randint function rd dot randint, and within that add both the values. Let's say I told you 5 and 10. Right click and run. It generated 6. Remember that both these values are inclusive, so the output can be 5 or 10. Let me add more. Let's say I'll just add 7 and 20. Let's see what will be the random number. You can see it's 20 now, and for first it's 10. So I told you both are inclusive, so it can be 5 or 10, 7 or 20 also. We ran again, and here are the random numbers.